In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow 2026 Full Guide. Buying a home is a multi-step journey, and Zillow is designed to be your central command center. It doesn't sell homes directly, but it bridges public listing data with the professional agents who help you close. Think of it as your dashboard for researching neighborhoods, comparing properties, estimating long-term costs, and getting connected when you're ready to take action. Start by heading to Zillow.com and entering a city, zip code, neighborhood, or even a specific address. Once your initial results appear, refine what you see using the filters or the More menu. Set a price range that matches your budget so you're not distracted by homes outside your comfort zone. Choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms that fit your lifestyle and pick the home to type, whether you're after a single-family house, a condo, or a townhouse. These filters are your best friend for turning a sprawling list into a short list that truly fits. When a listing catches your eye, do a digital walkthrough. Spend time with the photo gallery to get a feel for the layout, natural light, and overall condition. Then read the listing facts carefully. Review the asking price, the property description, lot size, tax information, and any HOA fees. Use the map to understand where the home sits relative to major roads, parks, schools, and shopping. That neighborhood context is key to how the home will feel day to day. Next, stress test your budget with Zillow's financial tools. Use the buyability style calculators to estimate a comfortable price range based on your target monthly payment and down payment. Adjust assumptions like the down payment size or interest rate to see how your monthly costs change. Look closely at what's included: principal and interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and any HOA dues, so there are no surprises later. Deepen your research by exploring local trends. Review school information and get a sense of commute times to places you go often. Check the market trends for pricing, movement, and competitiveness in the area. Also note the listing's history, including how long it has been on the market, to gauge interest and potential negotiating room. When you're ready to move from research to action, use the contact agent or ask a question button. A buyer's agent can schedule tours, help you craft a competitive offer, and guide you through inspections, appraisals, and closing. Zillow typically connects you to the listing agent or a trusted partner agent who supports showings, paperwork, and negotiation. And that is all for today. Using Zillow's data-rich platform is a smart way to start your home buying journey with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next